Good morning, student. In social science today, I am going to revise India and its neighbors. This is the revision. This is the revision because I have done before it. I have explained this chapter before, and you have written all the question answers also. I hope you have completed your self copy, and today I am revising this chapter, India and its neighbors. You know, neighbor means those who live nearby. So India is a country, our country, India. It is the second largest country in Asia. Second largest country. India covers an area 32,87,263 square kilometers, as extending from snow-covered Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforests of the south. India stands apart from the rest of Asia, bounded by great Himalayas in the north. So, students, India has extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute and 37 degree 6 minute north to longitudes as 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes east, and measures about 3,214 kilometers from north to south between the extreme latitudes and about 2,933 kilometers from east to west between extreme longitudes. And it has a land frontier, total length of land frontier about 15,200 kilometers. The total length of the coastline of mainland as Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 7,516 kilometers. So, dear students, the main neighbors of India as Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal and China. With different religions being practiced in India, it has become a common place for all religions, for all people. So, as after independence, many changes took place in India. So, next position of neighboring countries as Pakistan. When in 1947 India was partitioned, means separated from India, and the country of Pakistan came into existence. Pakistan is to northwest of India. It borders with the Indian states Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. It has an area of 7,96,095 square kilometers and a population of about 173 billion people, 173 million people. And Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. The official language of Pakistan is Urdu. You know, Urdu language, it is a language mostly in India, mostly people related to Islam, and others also speaks Urdu in India. The currency of Pakistan is Pakistani rupee. So currency is Pakistani rupee. Next number, China. China is to the north of India. China is located to north of India. It has a long border with India. China has an area of 95,71,300 square kilometers. It is very big country, and population of over 1,330 million. You know, this country, China, is the largest populated country in the world. It is at the first number in the population. It has the largest population in the world. Beijing is the capital of China. The official language of China is Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese. The currency of China is Chinese yuan renminbi. Chinese yuan renminbi. So this type of questions you can prepare. The official language of China is Mandarin Chinese, and the currency of China is Chinese yuan renminbi. Next country, Nepal. Nepal is to the north of India. It has area of 1,47,181 square kilometer. This is very small country and a population about 30 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So you can multiply, you can get the population 30 million. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. The official language of Nepal is Nepali. The currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee. Next country, Afghanistan. Afghanistan is located to the west of India and is separated for most part by Pakistan and is bordered with Indian state Jammu and Kashmir as an area. 6,47,500 square kilometer and a population of about 30 million people. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Dari means Persian and Pashto are the official language of Afghanistan. So Dari means Persian and Pashto are the official languages of Afghanistan. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. So neighboring countries है Pakistan, China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka. Now Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a small island to the southeast of India. It has an area of 65,610 square kilometer. It is a small island. You know island? Island means the small land is surrounded by the water bodies, and it is found basically in oceans and seas. And population of about 20.06 million, means approximate 20 million people live here. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. The official language of Sri Lanka is Sinhala and Tamil. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. So dear student, you can prepare. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka, and main language, official language of Sri Lanka is Sinhala and Tamil. Some tell Singli language, but Singhala and Tamil. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. So dear student, I explained these countries as today: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Tomorrow I will explain Bangladesh, Bhutan and Myanmar. So for today's class, thank you.